Hello everyone, Alice from HR812Alice. Recently, our company opened one of new design of a AM system. It is good appearance and excellent durable. And with a detection range of 2.2 meters, there are two adjustments for your choice: manual adjustment and APP adjustment. Now we use the EAS AM hard deck to test it. For this system, it is usually used in closed door and supermarket and shopping mall. If you would like to protect your goods for anti-shoplifting, and this system will meet your requirement. If you are interested, please feel free to talk with us. Now I will show you the details of this product.